At some point in your life, you've probably wondered what makes you who you are. Why are you good at some things but bad at others? Why do you like certain foods or activities? And what determines what makes you happy or sad? You might be surprised to learn that the answer is ultimately because of the molecular structures in your body. You are an animal, and an animal is a physical being. We are carbon-based machines. Our function is to convert the chemical energy in our food into incredibly complicated molecular structures. These molecular structures determine who we are. They endow our bodies with certain properties. They determine what our skills are, what we need to survive, and ultimately, how we think. For example, I'm not bad at long-distance running, and I really enjoy it. But I'm terrible at sports that require short bursts of speed. Why would that be? Well, one possible reason could be the proteins that my muscle cells produce. Physiologists have found that elite athletes in endurance sports, like marathon running or long-distance cycling, have more of a type of muscle cell that produces proteins that are good for relatively slow but prolonged exercise and bad for fast but short bouts of exercise. I may be good at long-distance running and enjoy it, but poor at basketball, say, precisely because I also have a lot of the proteins in my muscles that are good for prolonged, moderate exercise, but bad for really fast, short movements. That's why physiology, which is the study of the function of living organisms, is such an important discipline. Only by investigating the physical operations of our bodies and our brains can we begin to grapple with what makes us, us. Physiology is critical not only for a career in research science, but also for many of the most important and exciting career paths available to someone entering the job market today, including medicine, public health, agriculture, biotechnology, and many others. The second-year animal physiology class here at UTSC, BIOB34, is an important starting point for anyone interested in pursuing any of these careers. The class is designed to give students an understanding of the principles of animal physiology, the concepts that form the core of knowledge in the discipline. These include how the laws of thermodynamics govern our bodies, why we need oxygen and how we use it, how we regulate the water in our bodies, how our muscles generate force, and how our brains use electrical signals to encode our perceptions and memories. If you're a student here at UTSC, I hope you'll join us in the fall, either in class or online via our video lectures. This is the critical first step in coming to understand what makes you who you are.